So good morning. I'm in the waiting line for the ferry to Messina. Uh, it was actually rather cheap because I'm just on foot. So that's good. And got my ticket. And I talked to a guy and he said it's gonna be like 10 minutes or something. And then the ferry will arrive, and then I will be in Sicily, so close to Palermo. And I met two girls who pointed me here, and they said, "Yeah, what vehicle are you using?" Yeah, my feet. uh, that was funny. Uh, so yeah, on my way to Messina soon, and there I'm gonna ride and hopefully meet a couch server. Maybe they are all back on vacation. I don't know. We'll see. Bye bye. And to leave with the words of Dr. Anders P. Heen en weer.